Welcome back to Daytime Live. And yes, we are still buzzing, but we are buzzing with some wacky news. Now, listen to this. This is what I'll be doing shortly. Now, a woman who says she fell in love with and married a ragdoll her mother made for her. She says she has now got a baby with him. Yep, you heard right. 37-year-old Mary Vaughan complained to her mom that she was single and wanted somebody to dance with. So she got her needle and thread out and created Marcello. She said they fell in love and she fell pregnant. She even claimed to put on 4 pounds during her pregnancy.
Whoa. Okay, so
Okay, I take it back.
not wanting to give birth out of wedlock, she arranged. So she arranged a wedding in front of 250 family and friends before going on a honeymoon in Rio de Janeiro. She said that she gave birth to a new ragdoll in a 35-minute labor at home with a doctor and nurse present. So she said that it was pain-free, obviously. It was live streamed online with 200 people watching.
I just want to throw Suretse. I walked back everything I said because I said it's going to be me. I changed my mind. I didn't know that's where we were going. I also want to take this moment to interject and say this is why you can't always trust your friends, because your friends will support you in any crazy thing that you are doing. Some of your friends, some friends that said, no, stop the craziness. The fact that she had 250 friends saying, you go girl, I'm like,
no, but more know if you see which part of the world. So, as a doctor, if you get a call, and them say, I'm about to give birth and you must come and supervise the childbirth, right? And it's a ragdoll. What you do? And as a nurse, you have to stop encourage them. They have to stop encouraging that. Okay, so she got live stream, right? She live streaming the birth of the ragdoll, right? Yeah. And 200 people really.
What I do? I encourage the lady. What I encourage, listen. And I agree with you. I want to jump on your point and say 100% because I think we are going so far. Like I said earlier, I remember saying this like a few years when the show started. I was like, if you don't stand for something, you're gonna fall for anything. And I feel like we're just tumbling down the mountain or falling for anything.
Hold on, but let me go down the mountain a little bit. All right?
No, wanna go down the mountain, man.
So hypothetically speaking, right? So
yes.
she was impregnated by this. Why
are you thinking it through?
By this ragdoll, right?
Right.
Oh.
Well, the same way.
What come out?
Well,
because we understand the whole fertilization process, correct?
Did you just say sponge? Did you do the sponge?
Okay.
Did she?
Let's move on. Go on, Nisha.
I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Focus. So a Florida man allegedly posed as a Disney World employee and stole $10,000 replica of the Star Wars character R2-D2 in a bizarre attempt to get hired as a security guard. Now, this was according to the police who arrested him. The 44-year-old David Proudfoot, he was very proud, is accused of sporting a bogus name tag and vest in order to slip into Disney's World Swan Hotel in Bay Lake and swipe the famous droid, according to an arrest affidavit.
So Proudfoot, who was arrested for grand theft, also snatched a game machine from the hotel, according to the police. Right? So Proudfoot allegedly told cops that he took the robot to show weaknesses in the security of the resorts after applying to be a guard at Disney World. So cops later searched Proudfoot's home and found thousands of dollars worth of items that he had swiped from Disney World, including light fixtures, a wooden towel cabinet, and a gold necklace.
Right. You know what?
I think it's brilliant, actually.
I think it's brilliant, too.
I think it's brilliant.
So we don't condone stealing here. or anything. I want to say that first.
Right.
But creativity is a thing. And I think this gentleman is very, very creative.
Yeah.
And I think his alibi
shows even more creativity.
Listen. And yeah, like, I love that we have bizarre news and we get to see how everybody's mind works.
But can you imagine if them did hire how much things he would have cut with?
Listen.
Wow.
Listen.
Wow. But that R2D2 replica is not supposed to fetch a pretty penny.
$10,000, yeah.
Yeah, man, him shouldn't. Him go too far, man. Him shouldn't overdo it, man. Yeah. But him couldn't sell it. Or him would have sell it.
Him could have sell it. Yeah, man.
Him could have sell it.
Like, let's go. Yeah. Where? Craig is here for it. So, guys, keep your R2D2s close because Craig them out here.
Yeah, I would have liked to have a replica like that.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. On that note, are we on that noting?
Yes, we are.
On that noting, yes, Daytime, now we'll be right back with our first game that I shall walk away victorious. Join us after the break to find out if that is indeed the truth.